Hi everyone, this is Anna, one of your consumer technology specialists at Mid-Continent Public Library. Today we are going to continue our Browser Basics series by finding out how we can locate the official help page for our web browser. So the first thing we need to do is determine what is the actual help page. And what I am talking about is the official web page where the company that owns the web browser, they create and keep up with this web page, and it has common questions as well as just troubleshooting articles and things of that nature. So for example, Chrome is owned by Google, so their help page would be also run by Google. All of these help sites can also be searched, so you can put in a keyword or a problem that you're having and search through the whole web page. So it is a great place to start if you have a question or you're having trouble with your internet browser, because the information is coming from an official source and they're the ones who have deep knowledge of the software. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to find and access these web pages right from the browser window. So we are going to be looking at our 3 web browsers that have been featured in this series. We're going to look at Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. Today we're going to go ahead and start with Microsoft Edge. So I will open Edge from my icon on my desktop, and when I get it open, I'm going to be going up to the top right-hand corner of the web page, and I'm looking for the More menu, which is this little ellipsis, the 3 dots that are up in this upper right corner. So I click that, and most of the way down this menu, there is a help and feedback option. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that, and then from the more options that I get, I'm going to choose help. And from here, I can browse topics. I can go ahead and just jump right into the search box there. There's a lot of information that I can look at just from this website. So now I'm going to switch to Google Chrome. So I will click my link from the icon on my desktop to open it up. And really, I'm just going to go to almost the same place. I'm going to go to my More menu, which is in the upper right-hand corner of my window. On Chrome, it is these 3 stacked dots. So once I click on that, there is a help link towards the bottom of this menu. I'll click that, and from there, I'm going to choose Help Center from the more options that come up. And so see here, I have my search box again, and then if I look down, scroll down a little bit, I can see topics that are common topics that people have asked about, so they go ahead and have articles already made and available. Again, I could go ahead and search for something, like if I wanted to learn how to create a bookmark. This takes me to a search result page, and then I just would click on the very first one. Has the steps to create a bookmark using Chrome, and there are actually tabs so I can see how to do it on different devices. And of course, We're going to show you how to do this in Firefox as well. So I will open it from my desktop, get my browser window open, and then the More menu on Firefox is in the same location up in that right-hand corner of the window. But instead of having dots, they use lines for Firefox. So it kind of looked like a hamburger. The 3 lines is the icon that I want to click to get to the More menu. And then just like the others, if I go most of the way down, I have a help option. So I'll click that. And from here, I'm going to click Get Help, and that is going to take me to Firefox's help page. So you can see after we've looked at all 3 of these, they're all very similar. They all have the search box for you to search for the issue you're having or what you want to learn to do. And then they all have the articles that you can kind of just browse based on topics. So this is a great place to start if you're having trouble with your browser, because you know the information is going to be good information because it's coming directly from the company that made the web browser. So you don't have to worry if the person who wrote the article is qualified, or with forums sometimes you just don't know where the person is getting their information. So it could be good information, but it could be inaccurate or just a little bit off. So with these websites, you're sure you're getting the right information and the most up-to-date information. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you again next time. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you let us know. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook on our MCPL 360 page. We have new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. And if you missed the live event, you can always find all of our videos on our YouTube channel. You can find all of our videos there on our Consumer Technology playlist. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you again next time.